Rivian. I mean, we could 18.5s. Let's see. Try them out here. Okay, it needs 18.35. If it could push there, looks pretty decent. So if it could break through here, the final price target's 18.86. All right, so breaking out here. Let's see if we can get this continue to push. There we go. Nice momentum into there. See if we can continue here. So far, not able to hold that momentum though. Just like that, back under 18.35. So Rivian, fake breakout as of now, right? Turn of events. Look at that. And pulling back. Had the breakout. I'm hopping out there on the challenge account and my main.